Hey guys, I know you see that ultra mealtime girl thingy? Yeah, I pretty sure think that I'm not gonna get no more gifts, whatever. I'm just very glad that you guys support me. So, I'm gonna be opening a little bit of gifts because I don't have them that much. I'm gonna open all of them, the ones that I have, and it's not that much. It's just the front page. I mean, cookies, by the way. Yum. They are healthy ones. Just a little bag. They're very big, though. Yeah, I gave this girl, my friend, pretty girls. Well, you're my bestie. And you support me, yeah. Wow. Open. Okay. Let's, you see, no. Let's start with my llama. Okay. Let's start with LD Shadow Lady Fan, 890. Oh my god. Let's go with Katie 5 5s. It's just 5 5s, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully a shirt. No! No way! Thank you so much. Well, shout out to these girls and my llama. Let me put her on. Her name is Holly Pocket. I don't know if I spelled it wrong, but Okay, another one of these. Do you want her account? No! She already got hacked. I freaked out when I saw it. Lol. Do you really think I was gonna get you VIP hacked? Who is this? Huh. Well. Okay, so, yep, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, the outfit I just now got was no shirt, no earrings, no shoes. So, all together, oh, and my choker. This is the outfit, oh wait. But I'm a freaking fishnet! Okay, this is the outfit I made. Well, they made. And then I'm gonna add a shirt. I added a jacket though. Cute. Ugh. Huh. My Little Pony, nuh-uh. No. That looks weird. Red is not my color now. Let's go with, yeah, that shirt. It's totally beautiful. No, that one. Oh my gosh, I can't make my choice. This one. Let's go to feet. My feet. My shoes, I meant. Those are cute. Yeah. I gave her them. Thank you so much, Holly Pocket, my llama, Hannah's that automatically got hacked. I blocked her. Why would you hack an account then change the P to something easy? Ah! Oh my god! 555. Shout out to her. I really like the blonde hair. Dirty blonde. Rick. And LD Shadow Lady. Fan 80. 98. 98. Whatever. It's hard to pronounce for me. Help on of YouTube. Oh, well, that's very nice. Lala. My bestie for life. Yeah. Hopefully you see this. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. Yeah.